Welcome to All Access Agile, a series dedicated to helping teams learn and implement Agile principles. In this episode, we focus on sprint planning, the event that kicks off your sprint. I'm your Agile coach, Jessica Guistolise. I'm an evangelist at Lucid Software, and my childhood career aspiration was to be an FBI agent.
Ooh, secret agent. Hi, everybody. I'm Bryan Stallings. I'm your Agile coach, and I'm Lucid's chief evangelist. You know, my childhood career aspiration was to be a paleontologist. I loved all the dinosaurs, Jessica.
Do you have a favorite?
It's got to be Triceratops.
Nice.
So everybody, it's time to grab your popcorn, your Milk Duds, or other favorite go-to snack, and stay tuned for our feature presentation. Jessica and I will be starring as ourselves in what may be the world's first cinematic masterpiece or truly enjoyable collection of video clips about sprint planning.
Ooh. Sprint planning is one of the 5 Scrum events. As its name suggests, it's where Scrum teams create a plan for the next sprint. Teams who don't use Scrum may call it iteration planning. Whatever you call it, it's a time for planning inputs and outputs.
Inputs are anything that should be factored into the plan, such as the number of backlog items completed during past sprints, upcoming holidays, team time off, and any other potential advantages or constraints. The outputs of sprint planning are the sprint goal and the sprint backlog. The sprint goal is an objective the Scrum team aims to achieve during the sprint. The sprint backlog consists of product backlog items and a plan for delivering the product backlog and achieving the sprint goal.
Most teams hold sprint planning on the first day of the sprint, but some like to get a head start and hold it the day before. The primary participants in this event are product owners and developers. Product owners define the what and the why of the sprint, and developers are accountable for how and when it all happens.
During the first half of sprint planning, product owners talk through how the product backlog items create value and why they are important, but they don't push work into the sprint. The team will pull work into the sprint based on what's feasible. The last half of the meeting is where developers break down work into more manageable units and form the sprint backlog with select product backlog items and plan for delivering them.
Now you may be thinking that sounds like a lot. How much time does this all take? According to the Scrum Guide, a rule of thumb is 2 hours of sprint planning for every week of your sprint. So a 2-week sprint could take up to about 4 hours in sprint planning. Keep in mind that other factors such as launching a new initiative can affect the amount of time you'll need for sprint planning.